Hi, soon-to-be Civil Service Exam Passer. This is Naomi C. speaking. Sa video na to, magbibigay ulit ako sa inyo ng another Civil Service Exam review. Pero ang main topic po natin ay tungkol sa national territory and sovereignty. I prepared 5 questions po. Feel free to answer the questions with me and then i-comment mo sa baba kung ano yung score mo. I believe you will get a perfect score today, but if not, that's completely okay. Let's learn together. Alright, so umpisahan po natin sa question number 1. Which doctrine treats an archipelago as a single unit with waters enclosed considered internal waters? A. Contiguous zone doctrine. B. Freedom of the seas doctrine. C. Archipelagic doctrine. D. Exclusive economic zone doctrine. Feel free to pause this video if you need more time to think of what is the correct answer. If not, let's proceed and reveal the correct answer. Ang tamang sagot po ay C. Archipelagic doctrine. The archipelagic doctrine is the basis of Article 1 of the Philippine Constitution. Good job if you got the right answer. Okay, now moving on to the second question. The Philippine archipelago includes all waters around, between, and connecting the islands. These waters are considered as A. International waters, B. Territorial waters only, C. Internal waters of the Philippines, and D. Exclusive economic zone. Pause the video if you need more time to think of the correct answer. If not, let's move on and see what's the correct answer. The correct answer po ay letter C ulit, internal waters of the Philippines. So, under Article 1 po, waters around, between, and connecting the islands are internal waters regardless of breadth or dimension. Okay, good job if you got the correct answer. Pero if not, that's okay. At least now you know the answer, di ba? Okay, let's proceed to question number 3. What does aerial domain refer to? A. Underground resources. B. Airspace above the territory of the Philippines. C. Space satellites. And D. Weather problems. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time to think of the correct answer. And pardon, medyo umuulan ngayon kaya medyo maingay yung background. So the correct answer po is letter B, airspace above the territory of the Philippines. So aerial domain refers or means the airspace above land and waters of the Philippines. May mga tumitilaok din sa kapitbahay because it's super early in the morning. It's like 3 a.m. here in Manila. Okay, now moving on to the fourth question. Which statement is true regarding national territory under the Constitution? A. Only land areas are included. B. Waters are excluded. C. Submarine areas are included. D. Only occupied territories are included. Okay, I bet you know what's the correct answer here, but let's take a look pa rin just to make sure. Okay, so the correct answer po ay letter C, submarine areas are included. Nasa Article 1 po yan. So, submarine areas are seabed, subsoil, and etc. Okay, good job if you got the correct answer. Okay, so we're down to the last question actually. So, question number 5. The phrase regardless of their breadth and dimension refers to A. Land area only. B. Airspace only. C. Population size. D. Waters within the archipelago. Okay. Pause the video if you need more time to answer. Otherwise, let's take a look and see what's the correct answer. It's gonna be letter D, waters within the archipelagos. It's still under Article 1 that emphasizes that all waters within the archipelago are internal waters. So, good job if you got all of the answers correct. But if not, at least you already know what are the correct answers. So thank you so much for watching. I know that you are preparing for the upcoming exam. So kung gusto mo ng reviewer, dahil wala ka pang reviewer, feel free to check the tagged products I have. I will earn 1 to 2 pesos if you buy from those links. So it would help our channel kahit papaano. So thank you so much and I'll talk to you soon. Happy learning! Bye now!